Okay guys, so here's task 3. It says, now that you've calculated the monthly payment for each of the 3 desired choices, you must select a loan that would be best for you. After choosing the loan, explain how you made your selection, what are the positive aspects as well as the negative. Also describe what you would need to be in place with your life to attain this goal of owning this home. So in order to answer this question, there's a couple things that I want you to answer. So I want you to answer and tell me what the actual total cost of your home is going to be. So that's the down payment and the 360 monthly payments. Okay, because if you're going to own a home for 30 years and you're going to pay on it 12 times every year, once a month, that's going to be 360 payments. So I want you to calculate for all the homes, calculate the total amount that you're going to spend. Because you're going to find out it's going to be different than the amount of money that you borrowed. And I think you'll be surprised. So when you calculate the cost of every home, you're going to then compare the cost of the homes and how the cost changes with the type of loan. All right, I want you to tell me, is it better to pay more up front and get a lower interest rate? Or is it better to pay nothing down and take a higher interest rate? You know, which of the loans was best for your house? How is one loan better than all the others? And think about it. Do you really think that the house that you thought you could really afford, do you think that's going to be feasible? Like, unless you win the lottery or something? So just, you know, think about how much you would have to make every month in order to afford that. And I'll give you a hint. They say that your monthly income, okay, housing should take only about 25% of your monthly income. So think about how much you'd have to be making per month to afford that house. Alright, so I have here an example of how you would calculate the total cost of the home. So I took the first home that I have been working with in the previous videos. Alright, my monthly payment for that one worked out to be $2,423.92. And my down payment was $16,399.40. So I just took the down payment, multiplied the monthly payment by 360, because that's how many payments we would ultimately make, and then added those two together. And so if you see, I ended up spending $889,009.08 on this home, when the original cost of the home was only, when the original cost was only $409,000. So look at that. And then that should give you a good idea of what happens when you take out a loan for a home. Alright, when you're writing this section, I want complete sentences. Okay, and I want to make sure that you answer all the questions up here. Alright, this stuff here, this is for you to think about, but you must calculate the total cost of all the homes. Okay, I want to see how you're comparing the different homes in your little essay here. I want you to tell me, okay, I chose this home because for this price it gives me the best attributes, or this was simply the best price. Because you don't have to choose the home that costs the least. You just got to choose the home that's going to suit you best and that you can afford. Okay, so just some things to think about when you're writing that. I do expect you to fill up most of this space. It's really not that much. If you talk about everything that I've asked you to talk about, you're going to be just fine. And you probably would even need extra space to talk about it. So don't just give me simple little one-word answers, okay? I want nice, detailed thought. I know you're capable of it, okay? And if you have any questions on writing this part, feel free to come see me. So I'll see y'all in the next video for task 4.